Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own.
So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited to share with you a new interactive album. This book was so fun to make and I'm really excited to share with you. So this is using the Our Story kit, which is a kit that I recently posted and it is on my website available. So when you purchase the kit, it comes with the full class making this book that I'm going to share with you. Also, I'm going to have the option to just purchase the video class by itself coming up soon as well. But yeah, let's take a look. So if I tell you I love this collection, I'm not lying. This is the second time I am using this collection for a project because I just think it's so beautiful. I love the Parisian images, I love the books and everything about it. So this time we decided to do a new kit, and I have other like different elements and flowers, and it was just a treat to play with. But anyway, so this book measures 9 by 8 and it has a 3-inch spine, and it has 3 very interactive signatures plus the inside covers as well. And this is the back. So over here on the front we have these beautiful elements from the kit, which is this Prima resin little piece, which is so pretty. We have this chipboard, kind of like a little circle frame that I added here as the centerpiece for the project, and also these other Prima beautiful flowers there as well. And this whole piece comes out. It's just so pretty and so delicate that I wanted to make it a detachable piece from the cover, so you can use the cover like that, have a picture here, but mainly because I really wanted this book to lay flat to be able to fully have a use of the interactive feature. So it is a magnetized cover here. And so yeah, so we're gonna put this to the side for now, and let's take a look inside. So when we open these up, over here I have another one of those resin pieces. It's just so beautiful, like a water fountain with little birds, and then this other set of flowers also comes on the kit, which is this petals by Prima. So I use a little bit here, and I think I'm going to put some pearls here on the center. I forgot to do that, but I love the colors and they combine with the collection really pretty, and you get so many, so I have so many left over. So over here this piece opens up and we start with a little pop-up section here. So we have this kind of like second level coming at you where you can put pictures, and I also made 2 pockets here on the side so you can add more photo mats in the corners and there as well. Then on this page over here we have the beautiful image here on the collection. This is part of that chipboard set. I'm gonna link the video below where I go in detail on what comes on this kit if you're interested. Then this piece over here opens to the side, and then here we have a little tax spot, lots of little journaling pieces, a lot of ephemera included on the pages, and then this is a sliding page, so we have a double sliding feature here, so room for pictures there as well. They all go back in place, and then this opens up, so place for a picture there. And then I used the books here from the ephemera to kind of add it as a pocket. I just love those books. And then here more ephemera, and just a little places that you can add pictures here on the back, and also more photo mats can be added there. Then this spins to the side, and then we have another opening section here, so a large area for pictures. This is some complimentary green cardstock that I am using, and this closes up like that, and then it opens up again, and we have a large pop-up there again, place for pictures, and then extra room for pictures here. So we are using two different paper collections. One is our story, and the other one is this other collection by, I think it's Lemon Craft, but really pretty as well, and it matches beautiful with this collection. So then this whole thing closes, and then we get to the next page here. And so over here I have this opening here. So this is actually a folder that was attached to this page. So I'm just gonna take it all out. So it comes out from the side, this opens here, and then I just left this pretty plain just to add pictures, and all of that goes behind. There's a belly band here, so you can either put it all the way in or kind of have it as a open flap like I had it. And then over here we have an opening, so this opens up like that and just place for a picture. And this piece here that looks like a pocket is actually a sliding feature here, so this slides up, so you can go ahead and push this section up, and then this opens and opens. Again, extra places for pictures, and then this whole thing just goes back in place. So it's kind of like a pocket, but it's a hidden feature. And again, this is part of the ephemera. Then over on this other side we have this little closure. I wanted to add 3 little places here for small pictures, so this opens up like that. And then over here the beautiful background of the paper, but also I use this ephemera as a little tag spot, so place for a picture here. And then this opens up like that, and then I glue in here one of the book pages from the ephemera, but I only glue the center, and I think it looks really cool kind of seeing the pages come at you a little bit. It's just a fun way to add a simple piece of ephemera. This opens up, so places here, place for pictures. And then this is an elevator page, so this goes up, this opens down, so place for picture, place for picture, and then this goes down and it opens up again. And then you can add a large picture here on the back or smaller ones as well. And then this goes back here, and then it magnetizes back at the center there. And then over here we have another one of those cut apart. So for this one I actually just use a little bit of paper piecing to add some of this background at the center, and then the center is open, so I went ahead and added. And these 4x6, it's a 4x6, I think it's bigger than a 4x6, but anyway, so that went there. And then this opens and opens, so a lot of room for pictures here, maybe a little journaling area. And that is all this page here. And then here on the back, I just really enjoy coordinating the colors of the papers, the collections. As you can see, every page is kind of like a little story here with the colors and the designs. So this is kind of like the music page. So we have this beautiful piano. This opens and opens here, and then I have a little tag spot right there, and this also opens up. And then when you open this up, we have a 3D platform little gatefold, so this opens and opens, and then a lot of room for pictures here. So I just left this blank because we were gaining too much bulk on this page. And then this closes and closes. And then over here another fun page, so just a little tag spot with some of this ephemera that you can use as little journaling places. And then these opens and opens here, and then another tag spot there, so you can put a picture. And then this closes, and then this has another belly band here behind, so pushes that up. And then this, I left this closed, so I didn't think I was gonna use that as a pocket. but I think it just looks so pretty. And then this comes down, and then here we have a place for a picture, and then this whole thing opens up, and we have another fun pop-up page here, so places for pictures on the center, on the sides, and on the back right there. And this was a very fun page to create. It's been a while since I did this page, and I modified it a little bit, and I just love how that came out. A lot of experimenting on this book. I was kind of playing around with different things, and yeah, I just had a lot of fun creating this book. And then over here, another beautiful image from the collection, and I just added, this is a piece of ephemera, and then this opens up here like that, so we have a 3D page back here, and this is a sliding page, so place for picture there, magnetizes in place, and then this just opens down, so a lot of room for pictures there. And then this also opens to the side, and we have another 3D page here with places for pictures. You can put pictures on all these 4 spaces there. And then we have the back cover, which is another fun page. So over here we just added a pocket, and I made these into a booklet. Then over here, this opens up like this, and place for pictures, and then this opens down. On this page, I didn't want to put a solid background page. I wanted this to kind of look more like the collection, and so I went ahead and used all my scraps and created a little tile page here. So I love how these came out, because you can use the multiple little spaces to put actually pictures to match the size there. I think I like how that turned out. And then over here, as you can see, I have 2 little pull tabs, and so these both slide up and down, and then these reveal 2 sections there for more pictures. So that's an accordion fold, and then here also we have another accordion fold, and I just put a little candle there to cover the magnet, and so yeah, and then these go back in place and magnetize right there behind this belly band, and then you can add a picture there as well. And so that is the Our Story album. I love how this came out, and I hope that you guys like it as well. This was really fun to create and to play with. And so yeah, so I'm gonna put this book listed on my website. I would love to keep it but I just have run out of space for more books, so I will list it on the website for a little bit and see if it sells. If not, I will keep it because I love it so much. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Again, kits to make this book are listed on the website now. That comes with the shipping in the US, and as well as the video class, and I will be having the video class listed by itself coming really soon as well, so you'll see the link on the description box once it's updated. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then